part of our cooking series on Southern foods, we're going to demonstrate the proper procedures used to cook collard greens, or any greens for that matter. How to serve tender, flavorful greens is what we're going to discuss. Start with fresh collards that are deep green. Wash them thoroughly, multiple times, since greens are grown close to the ground in sandy soil. If only a few grains of sand make it to the plate, the greens are ruined. Remove the large stems and break the leaves into bite-sized pieces. Make a stock before adding the greens to the pot. At Dixie Bones, we put pork from our pits, vinegar and spices in cold water. Bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. It's the combination of the flavors in the stock with that of the greens that gives the final dish its character and appeal. The greens need to absorb the flavors of the stock in which they're cooked. If in the beginning you were to put the greens and everything in the pot together, the stock won't develop and the flavors will never enter the leaves. The leaves can either be thick and tough or less mature and thinner. Adjust the cooking times accordingly. In any case, you're talking about 2 to 4 hours for the greens to be tender and to absorb the flavors. Prepare the greens a day in advance. Let them cool in the stock. Reheat them the next day and they will be magnificent. Now find a recipe that sounds good to you. Incorporate the things we shared, and you'll have your family's own favorite Southern collard green. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think.